Good morning, class 3. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and reading, learning, revising all the things at your homes. Very good, students. So, today this is our English class, English writing class. Which class? English writing class. So, what you all have to do? You have to open this book, SPEAK, speak, AND and WRITE, speak and write. Which book? Speak and write. All of you open your book and beta take out your sharpened pencil and eraser so that your work should be neat and clean, complete. Yes, beta. Now come to page number 12, 1 to 12, which I am showing here 1 to 12. You have to open this page only. Okay, beta. So, what you all have to do? You have to write a date on the top. 2020.5.21. Which date? 20.5.21. All of you. So, write a date on the top and open page number 12. Yes. So, what is written here? WRITE, WRITE, right? AND REMEMBER, remember, right? And remember means लिखो और याद रखो. What is written here? लिखो और याद रखो. What is it? CAPITAL, capital. LETTERS, capital letters. CURSIVE, cursive. WRITING, writing, cursive writing. सो बेटा ये आज हमने क्या करना है? कर्सिव राइटिंग में कैपिटल ABCD लिखनी है. बेटा only try to do it in cursive writing. Okay, beta. So, what you have to do? You have to write here M. What is it? M. What is written here? M. Next is N. What is it? N. Again it's O. O. P. Q. R. S. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. Written, beta. Any issues? Beta, do it in the way they have written up in the upper lines. You have to write in that way only. Come to next line. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. Done, beta? Done till these two lines? Any issues in these two lines? And how to explain? Okay, beta. Now come to this part. Which part? This part. What is written here? T U V W X Y, and that is Z. What is it? T, U, V, W, X, Y, and that's last is Z. T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. What is it? T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Again the line is coming. T, U, V, W, X, Y, and this last is Z. Done beta? T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So we have done our this page, and what you have to do it in your homeworks, you have to complete this, the line which I have not done. 1, 2, 3 here and 1, 2 here. Total 5 lines. You have to do total 5 lines in your homework with sharpened pencils and in only cursive handwriting, and try to do it in cursive writing. If you face any issue, you can ask me. Okay beta, so this much for today's class. We will be meeting in our next classes. Okay, bye bye class.